QuickBooks is not capable of filing or paying your sales tax, but you will need to tell QuickBooks about your sales tax payment that you perform at your state's sales tax website or other means of submitting that payment. QuickBooks can help you with that filing, however, with a report. Let's run that report by going to Reports, and then in the Go to Report field, enter Sales Tax, and then choose Sales Tax Liability. If you do business in an area that has a combined tax rate, or if you collect taxes in multiple jurisdictions, QuickBooks will break down the taxable amount of your sales and the tax that's been collected for each one of the sales taxes that you are responsible for. This information is usually necessary to file your sales tax. To get started telling QuickBooks about your sales tax payment, click Taxes and then View Return. Here, QuickBooks gives you some advice on how to file and pay your sales taxes, but this will vary by state. And here, QuickBooks gives you some general information about your sales and taxable sales during the filing period. If you need to reduce or increase the tax paid, click on Add an Adjustment. And here you can enter the reason why the tax needs to be increased or decreased, as well as an income or expense account to categorize the increase or decrease, and the amount of the adjustment. Once you've made your tax payment outside of QuickBooks and you've entered any adjustments inside of QuickBooks, click Record Payment. Then enter the payment amount that you made, as well as the date that the payment took place, and the bank account that you used to make the payment. If there are any additional notes, enter them right here, and then click Record Payment. Now QuickBooks has marked the tax as paid, and close the window. If you ever need to see a record of your sales tax returns, choose History and then View Return. Though you cannot file and pay sales taxes directly through QuickBooks, it can still help you in your filing outside of QuickBooks.